everyone, it's Desiree. I am going to use this awesome stamp from the Crystal Lingo stamp set from Birch Press Design. And I'm going to stamp this off onto some Canson XL watercolor paper. And I'm going to use my VersaFine black ink for this. It's a perfect ink for watercolor because it will not run. It's not good for alcohol, but it is great for watercolor. So I'm going to stamp this just a couple times to make sure that I have a good impression of this, of that image. I'm then going to come in with a micron. Now you can use a Sharpie, but something that is archival, something that will dry permanent. You don't want it to bleed. And we're going to round these corners. When I saw this stamp set, again, digging through my collection, and I just immediately thought, we've been seeing lately, you know, ways to calm ourselves. And one of those things is neurographic art. And I just thought this was perfect for that. And this is how you can start. Now, it does start a different way where you create your lines, but why can't we take one of our stamps and alter it and do things with it with what we want, especially something like this, a background stamp. We can do that and change it and add these little tiny doodles or scrolls or roundings and make it into something different. Again, that's art. So I just thought it was perfect. So this is what I'm showing you here. And then we're going to get into some watercoloring. So you can see the rounding. You're literally, wherever the lines intersect, you create, you draw along that line and then you curve. Instead of allowing that either 45, 35, 90-degree angle, you put a curve into that and you color it in. While this looks monotonous, it's very relaxing. Absolutely very relaxing. But you do this to everything that's on this piece. Now I'm going to turn on some music and you can just enjoy this, and I'll be back for the watercoloring. Okay, now you can use whatever it is you want to use to fill this in. You can use watercolors, you can use markers, you can use pencils, you can use your dye inks and watercolor with them, you can use sprays and just have fun spraying it, whatever, crayons, whatever it is that you have, you can use to color. Now again, I'm just choosing watercolors because they happen to be on my desk, and I'm just having fun going around. And again, it's very relaxing. I was able to just sit here and focus in on this. Focus in on what I was doing here. It's like the Zentangle videos. You know, I am a certified Zentangle instructor. And, you know, I started those videos on Sunday for people to relax, to just have fun. Grab the supplies that you already have and just focus on what you're doing. Sometimes we do things, but we're not focusing in on it. And that's what this actually did for me. So again, I'm going to turn on some music and I hope you enjoy this. Okay, we are done our watercoloring, and this is what our card looks like. You can continue to add more to it. You can add gems, you can add sequins, you can add some color pencil, but it's bright, it's vibrant. It's something that allowed me to focus and to have fun with. And then I just added the sentiment down into the bottom right-hand corner, thoughts of you, which I thought was perfect for what we were doing on that card. So I hope you enjoyed this project featuring the Crystal Lingo stamp set by Birch Press Design. And try it with other things that you have in your stash. The products that I used in today's project will be listed down below. And if you have any questions, please make sure you leave those down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't yet, I'd love for you to subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell so that you're notified. Hopefully YouTube notifies you of the next video when it goes live. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the art that you create and have fun with it and enjoy. But most of all, always, be creative, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.